Attorney Rob Solomon is with me. He does landlord-tenant law, and we're here to largely promote, answer your legal questions, and promote your workshop that happens next Wednesday. And if you're a landlord, you've not been to Rob's Landlord Workshop yet, you need to come. Rob, tell them about it.
So it's Wednesday, November 7th, and depending on your definition of next, I guess it's not this coming Wednesday. It's a week from Wednesday.
Oh, thank you for clarifying.
So it's when we usually do them. It's at 9:45 at our offices on Edgewater Drive, and what we do is we workshop people's landlord-tenant problems. We do it for free. There's nothing to buy. Get you some coffee, some bagels, and we sit around and we try to make steps and improvements in your landlord situation. Try to solve any sometimes we have tenants. Try to solve those problems, and we hope that by the time you leave, you've learned something and possibly taken a step or two in resolving your problem. But we need to know who's coming so that we can order enough coffee and enough bagels and save a place for you. Again, it's Wednesday, November 7th at 9:45. All you need to do is text or call Chrissy. You can do that now or Monday if you want. You can do that at 407-808-8398. That's 407-808-8398. Just let her know that you're coming or text that you want to come, and we'll save a seat for you.